Here's your 90-second video on how to get DIY cake goop for all of your baking. Get out your ingredients, your oil, shortening, and flour, and also get out your bowl and scale. You're going to want to measure this or scale it directly onto the bowl. It's just easier that way. It saves you dishes in the long run. You can use a canola oil or a coconut oil, but any type of clear, flavorless oil is what you're looking for. The great thing about this recipe is it basically dump everything in the bowl and mix. With your whisk attachment, start to mix that on low and then bump it up to medium for about 5 minutes. After mixing for about 5 minutes, just double check that the mixture is smooth and there's no flour or shortening clump. You can store this in a Tupperware. I put mine in a mason jar, and you can leave it onto your countertop for about 30 days. If you're going to be refrigerating this to keep it for longer, then you will need to take it out and let it defrost and come to room temp where you can have it a more homogenized mix. With a pastry brush, you're going to take the goop and you're going to apply it to the inside of your pan and then just feel the pan like normal with your cake batter. After your cakes are done chilling, go ahead and try to depan them and you'll see how easy it is and how clean the pan and the cake look. And that's it. It's pretty easy. Just dump all the ingredients in the bowl and mix and apply. I hope you found this helpful, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments.